Welcome to the magical trails of Kenya. Today we're headed to the heart of Kaptagat Forest. As the sun slowly rises, golden light filters through the tall trees, creating a magical pathway ahead. Every step feels like entering a different world, quiet, peaceful, and untouched. The sounds of birds singing, leaves rustling, and distance flowing water becomes a soundtrack, nature at its purest. We came across breathtaking views, hidden spots that feels like secrets only nature knows. Moments like these remind you how beautiful the world really is.
Three.
Hi guys, welcome to the magical trails of Kenya. This is your girl Mary. Today we are in Kaptaga Forest. As you can see around, the scenery, the trees, the cool air, the fresh breeze. It's amazing. Guys, join me. Let's see how this forest looks like. Let's get deep into it. There's a river. We're going to see the river. There's more magical trails and karibu sana. See you.
Lakini nilichukulia zingine zikiwa hivi.
Trails, eh?
The deeper we go, the more connected we feel to nature, to the moment, and to ourselves. Out here, nothing else matters, just the journey, the people, the memories. Tall trees surrounding us, forming a natural canopy, and every step feels us deeper into peaceful world. As the day unfolds, one thing becomes clear. This is more than just a hike. It's a moment you carry with you long after you leave. Kaptagat Forest, wild, peaceful, and absolutely unforgettable.
Pika tamu. Pika tamu sana.
Kabla ni dai na sijaolewa.
Rusha hiyo. Songa hiyo. Songa miti. Songa huko. Rusha huko. Songa pole pole.
Hey guys, so we have come 6 kilometers down. The weather is amazing, but it seems it's gonna rain in the afternoon. I hope the rain doesn't find us here, but this weather is perfect for hiking. There's a lot of breeze, there's a lot of fresh air. Oh God. I wish I could just build a hut here and stay here forever. But I can't. I have to go back to the city. But all those city lovers, you should try this. It's really therapeutic. I can say hike is one way of me just letting go of so many pressures you have daily. You forget about the bills for a day. You forget about the kids for a day, but you'll get them back home later. You forget about so many problems before you report back to work. So it's just a way of just rejuvenating, mental clarity, mental relaxation. And I would advise anyone who is thinking of going to hike, it's not hard. Like Kaptaga Forest, it's a really flat area. It's a beginner can do. Most of the hikers here we have today are beginners, so a beginner can do this hike. We are going for about 16 kilometers, but we are not done yet. Maybe after finish now, I'll know exactly how many kilometers we go. So join me and enjoy this view, enjoy this moment, enjoy this trail one step at a time. Kabisa, halafu utaenda juu.
Marion, niweke moja.
The forest is really thick. Hapa sasa wanaweza rest. Hey guys, we are deep into the forest. We are now 11 kilometers down, 4 more to go. journey is really interesting, but this is still hike for beginners. It's not so intense. See, I'm not sweating there. I'm usually sweating, soaking in sweat. But make sure you are in a group. You have a hike guide, take you through this route. Because if you come, people who don't know this route, I think you might get lost in the forest. You might go circles and circles and circles inside. So make sure you have a guide. Today we have a guide, Martin Kenya. And he's doing a pretty good job. He knows this forest very well. It is a very big forest. People have really planted a lot of tree here. So, and it rains a lot. Kenya is a very fertile green country. So I am happy. I'm proud to be a Kenyan. You can never lack the magical trails. And let's see how this goes. Hey guys, so we have come to the end of our hike and we are attending an event here, 4x4 mud fun, and it was a really interesting hike. We went for like 12 kilometers inside the forest. It is so refreshing, it is so peaceful. There's very scenic view, panoramic views, and happy tired as always. So don't forget me to join me in my next hike, one trail at a time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video. Thank you.